Hello everyone, I Lata Singh, Faculty of DLED from Technical Institute of Teacher Education. Today I deliver a lesson of importance of textbook and supplementary material as a tool of transition of curriculum. So now we will discuss meaning of textbook. Textbooks are important creation of human being. There are various means for collection of knowledge, but textbooks are important among them. Means with the help of textbooks, knowledge is not only collected and stored but also transferred to next generation. Therefore, these are an important means of collection as well as transition of human knowledge. Teachers use them for teaching and students use them for their learning. According to Hercules, textbooks are means of collection of knowledge, experiences, feelings, ideas, aptitude and values. According to Hillcrest, textbooks is written from the organized knowledge for teaching and learning activities. The textbooks on the described syllabi written and published by government as well as private writers and publishers. Importance of textbook in transition of curriculum. Textbooks are found helpful in the transition of curriculum as usefulness for teacher. The textbooks gives full potential to the teacher in the knowledge limits and boundaries of his teaching. The information or knowledge is presented in well-organized systematic way. Textbooks are usually written by the well-experienced teachers and subject experts, can be readily available to the teacher in their instructional work. The use of textbooks help in the planning of the daily lessons, taking decisions about the method of teaching and use of teaching aids. The use of textbooks help the teachers in providing information about the practical and project work to be carried out the classroom, social studies, laboratories and real settings. The use of textbooks may help the teacher in planning for evaluation of the outcomes of lesson taught to the students. Textbooks can help the teacher for proper utilization of time and energy. Textbooks help the teachers greatly in making their teaching interesting and purposeful. Now we will discuss usefulness for students. It helps the student to get acquainted with what is to be studied in the subject at particular stage. It helps the student in required preparation on their part related to their study of subject. It may help much in saving time and energy of the students. They need not take notes or write down the problem provided to them. Sometimes students committed mistake in copying the thing written or diagrams drawn on the blackboard. Under this situation, textbooks help a lot supplementary as well as correcting the class notes. It becomes help for all type of student and gives direction by meeting the requirement of the slow, average and fast learners. The use of textbooks helps the student in doing their self-studies and acquire the habit of independent learning. It may prove to be boon and big helping hand for those who have missed their lesson. It may help the student in the proper utilization of their leisure time. Now we will discuss importance of supplementary material in the curriculum transition. So, we first use of teacher. Supplementary material can help the teachers in preparation of their daily lesson plans. It can provide them needed guidance and direction for the use of suitable teaching methods. It can help the teacher their effort of making their teaching learning process student centered and making students motivated and interested in classroom teaching. The support material available to the teacher help the evaluating the learning achievement performance of the student in proper way in evaluation. It can help the teacher in the establishment as well as functioning of the subject room and labs. Manuals, guides and resource books may help the teacher in making use of the modern means of teaching learning process. Support material may help the teaching and other welfare work of the student. Now we will discuss usefulness for student. It can supplement and enrich their classroom learning. They can have better understanding and application of that thing learned and experienced with the use of available support material. The support material may help the student in their assignment as well as performing individual and group project. It can help them in their self-study and discovering knowledge from their own efforts. The support material available to the student may help them in providing needed direction and guidance for getting development and educational progress. It can help them proceeding on their learning path for self-evaluation and auto-feedback mechanism. The supplementary material helps the student in carrying out the activities in a well-planned and organized way. The guidance and available support material may help the student in acquisition and use of necessary life skills, help in the task of leading life in successful way. The support material may help the student for the expression for their self and making use of their creative and constructive potential. It can help them in making use of ICT skills and development of their overall personality. It can help them in seeking better adjustment and evaluation at home with their actual potential. This we can conclude textbook and support material act as a powerful tool as a transition of curriculum. I hope you all understand my topic, usefulness of textbook and support material. Thank you.